e huro ana te maria. E whakatairanga ana hoki ko ngā tohu tautoko. I te hoki ngā mai o te kapa Whatumoana me te taonga hakaihuwaka o te Super Rugby Pacific.
Oh, it's always special, I think. Yeah, we've won a few, but the next one's always as special as the last, and awesome to do it in front of our fans.
There's the siren.
I toa te kapa Whatumoana, te kauma ono ki te kauma toru ki te kapa o Ngā Rangatira i te whiringa toa o te Super Rugby Pacific. He hoki ngā pae tēnei mā te kapa Whatumoana, whai muri i tā rātou whakateringa i tē rātou, me tā rātou tūranga tua iwa.
I think it just shows how much care there is in the team and a lot of grit, you know. We didn't have a great year last year, obviously, and to turn around this year and go all the way, like I say, it shows how much care this team has.
It's pretty tough last year, but to bounce back off the canvas and stick to what we're about as Crusaders and get back to the top is pretty special.
He wairua pai tēnei mā Taila Kahil. E rongo ana tēnei uri o ngā puhi i ngā angitūtanga o te Super Rugby Pacific. Nā koia tērā i noho ki rāhaki i te kemu o te whiringa toa.
Great group of boys have taken me in nicely, and to be a part of this is pretty cool. To get it done was amazing, especially after where we were last year. Super special group, and I'm excited to see what we can do in the future.
In some small way to these great men behind me who are so invested in this team and this region, and you could just see with the effort and energy and desire that they have for the group in their performances.
Me te mea hoki, e noho tahi ana e nei kai tautoko me tā rātou kapatoa.
Faith! Yeah, I can do all things, faith! Score, go, try! Yeah!
Always believe in the boys. Oh, I think that every year. I think we're going to win every year, no matter what.
I think they can win again next year. And I hope they win again, and I hope they get the trophy in there.
But I like to see it spread around, but good luck to the other teams in trying to get it off us.
E haere tonu ana ngā whakanui, a e aro atu ana te kapa Whatumoana i tā rātou taitara te kaumā ono. Shikaila Andrews Alapaki, Tahu News.
Thank you.